Welcome to the Assistive Technology and Universal Design for Learning Loan Library. We believe in the power of technology to help all students achieve high academic standards. As part of the Florida's MTSS projects, the online resource library is designed to help districts and schools implement a universal, differentiated core curriculum based on the Florida best standards. The assistive technologies available in this library can be used to identify which technologies will best support students with disabilities to participate and progress in this core curriculum. The universal design for learning technologies can be used to identify effective instructional pedagogies that support highly effective learning environments. Accounts are only available to individuals approved by district ESE directors and staff members of the Bureau of Exceptional Student Education discretionary projects. The Assistive Technology and Universal Design for Learning Loan Library tutorial series will take part in 6 episodes. Episode 1, First Time Logging In and Overview. 2, Making an Order. 3, Comparing Items. 4, Writing a Product Review. 5, Unpacking an Order. 6, Packing an Order for Return. Let's get started. Episode 1, First Time Logging In and Overview. Once you have typed in the URL www.at-udl.net, this takes you to the storefront or the Loan Library homepage. You will see a picture of the state of Florida and the words AT and UDL Loan Library on the top left-hand corner. If you look across the top right on the toolbar, you'll see a telephone icon, a person icon for My Account, and a shopping cart icon for the shopping cart. If you click the telephone icon, it will direct you to a Contact Us page. On the contact form, put your name, your email address, enter in your question, check the I'm not a robot box, and submit. Your question will be automatically directed to the Loan Library email. If you click the My Account icon, a login window will appear. Click Login, enter your username, which is your email address, and the password that was emailed to you. Go ahead and click Login, and you'll see 3 main sections on your account page: My Account, My Orders, and Newsletter. Let's look at the first one. For your first time logging in, you want to make sure you edit your account information to make sure everything was entered correctly. Over here, you can make sure your job title is properly selected. Check your work location. If you have a project manager, you can write their email address here and the project manager's name. If you are a part of a Florida Department of Education project, you want to select your project here from the drop-down menu. Select your district, enter in your cell your first name, last name, email address, and your preferred contact number. Then you go ahead and hit continue, and it'll save all your updates. When you first are assigned an account, we generate a password for you. So you want to go ahead and change that. So click Change Your Password. Enter your new password, type it in again, hit continue, and that will automatically save your password. To modify your address book entries, this is the address in which orders are directly shipped to you. If this is not correct, you can click Edit, type in your new address, and once again, hit Continue. This is the default address. We will go over later when placing an order how to change a one-time delivery address. Under My Orders, the only one that we'll be using here is View Your Order History. You can click here and it'll see all the orders that you've placed in the past. It's sorted by order number, the status of your order, the date you placed the order, the number of kits or products you placed in that order, and then your customer name. If you want to look at a particular order, you just click the eyeball and it'll give you all the order history information concerning that and all the entries that are placed in at the back end of the Loan Library. Click Continue, and it'll take you back to the first page. If I go back to Account, the last tab here is Newsletter. You want to subscribe to the newsletter, so simply hit Subscribe, select Yes, and then hit continue. Let's go back to the home page. A quick overview of the layout of the loan library. We have items organized by categories. So if you select a category such as communication and more, you can refine your search by one of these topics. And below you'll see items that are AAC with static display. Let's go back home. You can also search by the name of the product. This too is case sensitive. So if you are looking for an iPad, you can simply type iPad, hit enter, and anything related to an iPad will show up on that sort window. Let's go back home. Under information, you'll see tabs for About Us, Tip and Trick videos, delivery information, etc. If we scroll down on the main website, you'll see recently added items listed here. And below that, we have featured items. Thank you for attending episode 1, and we look forward to seeing you at a future episode.